I recently replaced my whole AC furnace unit along with the water heater, and it works very well. Besides the filter change, which I do regularly as recommended, there is one little average maintenance that we can do by cleaning this drain pipes, and they call it easy trap. They already provided the brush that we need to use in order to do so. And first step, of course, is, as always, turn the power off, which I already did, because this easy trap is connected to power to control if this drain got clogged. It will shut off itself and save us from further problems. So instead of calling service people and paying for it, it's very easy to do so by removing the easy trap float switch, this one, and going with this brush through the drain and clean it. There is a little congestion that, I don't know, can you see there? Probably from the dust and the water, it looks like little flakes. I don't really have to clean it, but I'll rather do the preventive than reactive maintenance. I tried already before recording it. This needs to be just twisted up and down a little bit, or left and right, and you need to take a side and then use this brush, go all the way through and push it through this clear pipe. You can hear that I'm pushing the water through the pipe, and hopefully all this dirt will come out as well. And it comes on this side, a little wet and a little dirty, but not too bad. So I'm going to do that one more time, just in case. And it is good. For better view, I am using flashlight to check is there any flake left, and I don't see any, so that's cleaned very well. One more thing that I figured out here is we can take this side cover off, and if you experience any problem with clogging, then we can use our brush and push through. In my case, it's clean because it's 3-4 months new, and I don't need to do that, but that's optional if you experience additional problem. So I cleaned brush and can put it back here for next time. And all I need to do is cover this float switch, easy trap, and secure it. We need to make sure also that this little switch is all the way down. You can hear maybe little clicks that will push up when it's clogged, and we need to make sure that it's all the way down so it has a function that's meant to be. Once we install that, brush is back, there is no more clog. All we need to do is switch it on again, and it's clean. If you have comments or questions, please do so down below. Like always, thank you for watching.